Okay, as always, we're trying a different format. So today is just very much like I'm talking to you, I'm making a salad, you're in my kitchen, no top-down view of what's going on. I'm guessing it's just pretty basic stuff most of the time, so this might, if this works out, might be sort of the best format. I think, especially from an exposure perspective, this is the best way for me to be in the kitchen with lighting and with the background there anyway. So I'm looking forward to the salad today. Yesterday I think I told you that I'm going to do a salad that has a little bit of mustard sauce as well. So trying to figure out what that would be this morning, I figured that I could probably do something with a bit of ham. Ham and mustard is a very, very nice mix. I'm also going to put in a pickle or two in that. If I have any pickles, which I should do, I do. Okay, awesome. So, as always, let's see what we have here. So, we basically got kale, mixed salad. I thought a little bit of dill. I had some dill left over. Those birds are very loud. I'll see how that comes out in post and maybe just close that door behind me in the future. And then I've got still some stuff from yesterday's mix of kind of tapas stuff, which still is really, really nice. And I'm trying to think if any of this might go. I mean, with salads, it's very easy to kind of overdo it. I tell you what though, these jalapeno chilies were quite nice. So I'm going to basically just slice off just the top of that. Put the rest back. How do you say jalapeno chili? That's exactly how you say it. How did I used to say it? Jalapeno. It's not the correct way to say jalapeno. I'm just going to take some of these onions. These onions as well, yesterday's salad. Delicious, 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 delicious. Kind of like a marinated onion. And onions go really, really sweet when cooked well. And these ones definitely have really nice and sweet. I mean, it's such a basic salad to do, so I'm actually just going to start off with just putting it together. So, starting with my salads. Give that one break up crunch. I've never been a fan of kale before. I am open to trying new things. I am retrying kale again for the first time in a couple of years. Marianne really likes kale, so this one is also for her as well. I figure if I can chop it up into smaller pieces, maybe I won't taste it as much. But who knows, maybe I turn out, this is very fresh. I actually got this as well because this just came out at the veg store. So it is fresh, 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 and I'm guessing if I'm gonna like kale, that's the type of kale that I would like. It's the fresh stuff. So let's chop up this tomato again. Tomato. Just gonna do quarters today. Let's pop on these onions. These guys, you just every now and again you get some onion flavor in there, and it is very nice. So today with the chilies, I'm gonna dice them up, just so I can kind of get them through the salad, and that there's no particular bite that is going to be very hot, but every now and again you'll get just a tiny bit of chili flavor, which is always fun. We're going to go for a cucumber as well. I suppose in future I can also take wrappings of some of this stuff. I mean, it takes so quick to make a salad anyway, so you guys are with me for a couple of extra seconds. That was close. That would have been not funny, but kind of funny because it was on camera, but not funny. Okay, so let's get some dill on here. Yeah, it wasn't my original thought, but I do have some dill left over from yesterday's salad, so I'm just going to pop it on and see how it goes. So yes, yesterday we'd spoken up. I almost forgot. Ham and gherkins. Ham and gherkins and mustard. Can't go wrong. Pop three of these little guys in here. Okay, so every single salad dressing, maybe half a tablespoon of olive oil, a teaspoon of some sort of vinegar, balsamic, apple cider. This one's apple cider. And today we're gonna go for a bit of mustard, which is something that I haven't really done before. And just get some salt in there. Pepper. These were a beautiful gift from friends of ours in Germany. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, maybe do a little bit more olive oil in there. Okay, let's get the 2-star ingredients, which are the ham, okay, this is where the music comes on. And you're back. Okay, so that was the ham. Let's get some feta cheese on here. Maybe you aren't back yet. Maybe I'm gonna bring you back just after I take off this lid. Very messy salad making today. Okay, let's get some feta cheese on here. This is just pretty basic store-bought feta with some black pepper. I like mine black pepper. Just chop them up. And done. Super easy. I'm guessing it's going to be pretty tasty. And I hope that everybody enjoyed it. Kale. We'll see. Awesome guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think of this format of video compared to the rest. Let me know if you have any favorites. And we'll see you tomorrow for the next episode.